If you're looking to reinstall your factory stereo without hassle, the Scosche car stereo wiring harness is designed to make the process smooth and reliable. It plugs directly into your factory stereo, eliminating complicated rewiring and guesswork. That means less time fumbling with wires and more time enjoying your music. What sets this wiring harness apart is its factory-quality construction. Made with genuine factory-grade wires and connectors, it ensures a perfect fit and consistent performance every time. You won't have to worry about loose connections or signal loss that can happen with lower-quality adapters. Installation becomes straightforward thanks to the EIA industry standard color-coded wires. This coding makes matching wires quick and intuitive, even if you're new to car audio installation. No more confusion or trial and error. Just a clean, professional connection that gets your stereo up and running fast. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in automotive audio accessories. Their experience shines through in every product they make, including this wiring harness. They understand how much your vehicle means to you, so they never compromise on quality or durability. When you choose Scosche, you're not just buying a wiring harness, you're investing in a product backed by a limited lifetime warranty. This warranty shows their confidence in the harness's durability and performance. If anything goes wrong, you're covered for the long haul. What really makes Scosche stand out is their lifetime tech support. Their knowledgeable team is ready to assist you with any questions or issues related to your product for as long as you own it. That kind of ongoing support is rare and invaluable, especially if you're tackling installation on your own. Customers across the United States have praised this wiring harness for its reliability. One user shared that after 3 years of use, it still holds up great. That's a testament to the build quality and how well it integrates with factory stereos. If you want to avoid the frustration of complicated wiring and unreliable connectors, this Scosche harness is worth a look. It offers a plug-and-play solution that respects your vehicle's original setup while enhancing your installation experience. The harness is compatible with a wide range of factory stereos, making it a versatile choice for many vehicles. Whether you're upgrading your sound system or simply replacing a faulty harness, Scosche delivers consistent results that keep your stereo working perfectly. What changes when you use this wiring harness? You get a clean, secure connection that prevents common issues like static, signal drops, or short circuits. This means better sound quality and fewer headaches down the road. Plus, the high-quality materials used in manufacturing resist wear and tear, heat, and corrosion. That durability ensures your investment lasts, no matter how many miles you put on your vehicle or how often you use your stereo. If that's you, someone who values reliability, ease of installation, and ongoing support, Scosche's wiring harness is a smart choice. It removes the guesswork and offers peace of mind with every connection you make. Don't settle for generic wiring adapters that may fail or cause issues. The Scosche harness matches factory specs and standards, so it integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's electrical system without risking damage or malfunction. Try it when you're ready to upgrade or reinstall your factory stereo. The combination of quality, support, and warranty makes it a practical investment that pays off in convenience and performance. In summary, the Scosche car stereo wiring harness delivers exactly what you need: a plug-and-play design, factory-quality materials, clear color-coded wiring, and unmatched lifetime support. It's built to last and backed by decades of trusted expertise. If you want a hassle-free stereo installation that keeps your vehicle's integrity intact, this harness deserves your attention. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in reliability and ease of use. Remember, when you buy Scosche, you're not just getting a product, you're gaining a partner in your car audio journey. Their lifetime tech support ensures you're never left in the dark, no matter how complex your installation might be. So, whether you're a seasoned installer or a first-timer, the Scosche wiring harness offers a dependable, user-friendly solution to get your factory stereo back in action. It's a small investment with lasting benefits. Worth a look if you want your stereo installation to be straightforward, reliable, and supported for life. Scosche's wiring harness is the practical choice for anyone serious about quality and peace of mind.